How do you open your door? Do you open your door with a key? Do you open your door with a pin pad? You got a smart lock and you got a pin pad? How about an app that you control it? Can you control it with Google or Alexa? How about your palm? Can you control it with your palm? In today's video, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna control our door lock with our palm veins. It's a 6-in-1 door lock and it unlocks with your palm. I'm really curious about this palm vein, but that's what it is. It's a palm vein smart lock by eLinkSmart. Not only is it the palm, what do we have here? Let's go here. We have the Bluetooth app, we have the palm vein, the RFID card, NFC, password, or key. And yes, this does or supposed to work with Alexa. So let's go ahead and let's get it opened up and see what all comes in here. So you get your good old user Manuel. You get your template for your front door. That way you know where everything goes. You get it cut out so you know that this thing is nice and straight on your door. There's nothing like having a crooked door lock on your door, right? You don't want it crooked, you want it straight. Comes with the battery. You get 4 RFID cards. You got 2 little bitty keychain style and 2 credit card style. You get a good old set of regular keys. So you get everything in here for your installation, including the screwdriver that you're going to need to do all this job. Okay, so this is what you'll see on the inside of the house right here. This is where your battery's also going to go, is open that up and your battery goes right there. Nice rubber gasket here to keep it sealed. All right, so this is what the outside will look like right here. So you get your key, you get your keypad, you get your palm print up here. So that's everything you get in the box. So now I'm going to go out there with the other camera and we're going to get this thing installed. All right, so that's what we have. There's the outside of the door right there. And here's the inside. I have not put the battery in yet because we need to go get the app first before we even do anything. And go over to the app and we're going to go ahead and add a lock. Look at that. Automatically it found it. Go ahead and click on it. And there we go. I have 2 of them on here and everything's here. So now we got to go through and we got to set everything up. So the first thing we got to do now is we set it up to the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connect success.
Okay, as soon as it was done, it just said Wi-Fi connect success. So we are now connected to the Wi-Fi. All right, so no lights on the lock itself means that it's in normal mode, which means that it will auto lock once you shut the door. You unlock it, you go out, you shut it, 10 seconds later, it auto locks. You hit this button right here and it turns blue, you're on vacation mode. You hit this button here and it turns green, that means it's passive mode, which means that you can go in and out and it will not auto lock. All right, so right now it's in normal mode, and when you come up, the light will come on, and then that's all you do is you put up your palm.
Normal.
You see the light turn green, and now it unlocked. Every time something happens, you get notifications constantly on your phone. So anytime that it's locked or unlocked, you'll get notifications. If you're not home and your kids come home from school and they unlock it, they'll automatically notify you wherever you're at that your door's been unlocked. So when we open up the app, here you got your authorized management. So this is where you put all your family members on. You got your temporary password, you got your password management, you got your card reader. So for the RFID cards, you'd come here and you would pair each one of them to the door lock itself. Okay, then we got Palm Vein. And if you click on Palm Vein, now you can come in here and you can go ahead and hit add and bring in all your family members and put everybody's palm on here. So as of for right now, it's only me. I still got to add my wife and my daughter. Okay, then you have history mode. So if we go ahead and go like say to the mobile unlock, go ahead and click on mobile unlock. And this is every time that my door has been unlocked since I've had it. And I've been using it now for about 2 weeks now. Okay, so if you click on more features, you got so many more features in here. You can rename your lock, you can have push notifications, you can have calibration the lock, unlock position, sound, everything on here you have in your settings. All right, so one of the key settings I believe that you need to adjust right off the bat is your sensing distance. So I believe it's on nearly when you first turn it on. I've already changed it, but go ahead and put far because far means that it's going to detect as you're walking up, the red light will come on as you're walking up. So also on your main screen for all your settings, if you look, you see a battery icon. Again, it's been about 2.5 weeks, and I have barely even budged 0.25% yet on this. I'm not even at 0.25% just yet. So you're supposed to get something like 2 months of battery life out of this. Okay, so I've been using this thing for about 2.5, maybe 3 weeks, And the only thing that I really see that this thing's missing is I'm so used to eLink's other products. So the other one that I took off actually had a 2K camera in it. And it's really nice to have that extra camera. Don't get me wrong, I have a doorbell camera, but to have that lock camera too was really, really nice. So if they can actually add that Palm and make one with the camera in it as well, I think it's pretty cool. I think it's really cool with the Palm. What's really, really nice is, I mean, I can try any other Palm. My wife's already tried her Palm. My daughter's tried her Palm. You cannot get in this without my Palm. I do like the vacation mode. You put it in vacation mode, it'll only open with a temporary password that you put in there for anyone else to come through to come check on your house, your pets, or whatever else there is. But another great product by eLink, 100%. Another great product by eLink. But I would like to see now from eLink, again, I like to see a camera put in here. I like to see one that's fully loaded. I would love to see Matter. I would love to see either Zigbee or Matter in this, mainly Matter. Matter is an ecosystem on its own, just like Alexa is, but you can create your own uh, private home network. Because I want literally, I want to get rid of any cloud-based services unless it's my own personal cloud for my own network right here. And it's super easy. It's easier than what a lot of people. You do not have to know how to code and do everything else to have this. You don't even have to spend that much money. Every once in a while, another negative would be every once in a while I'll walk up to it and it doesn't detect, and it might be the way my door is. I have walls right on the side of my door, and it might not be detecting me correctly as when I'm walking up. Where if I didn't have the one wall on my left and I was walking up, it would see more of my body. So I do notice if I go around the wall a little bit, like if my wife is on the front porch having coffee, if I'm moving around, I can see the lights and stuff coming on. So a lot of movement going on there. And again, that battery, I mean, going on 3 weeks and only use right at a quarter, perfect. I mean, battery's good, rechargeable. You don't have to worry about double A's or anything like that put in it. You just pop it out, plug it up. Again, I think it's 60 or 90-day charge is what the battery's supposed to do. So hopefully that helped your buying decision. Go ahead and check right here. See if this one will help your buying decision as well. Thank you for watching.